Have you ever wondered why we suddenly start hiccuping, often at the worst times? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a big muscle under your lungs, gets irritated and spasms. This causes you to suck in air quickly, which makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that familiar hic sound. Triggers can include eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even sudden excitement. These spasms are usually harmless and go away on their own. Scientists think hiccups might be a leftover reflex from our ancient ancestors, but today, they're mostly just a quirky body surprise.